Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to register in Emirates careers. Alright, let's begin. First, visit the official Emirates Group Careers website. Once there, use the search bar to find job openings that match your skills and interests. When you find a position that suits you, click on the job title to view all the details, including requirements, responsibilities, and location. Next, click the Apply button to start your registration process. You'll need to create an account by entering your email address, password, and personal details. After that, complete your profile by adding your education, work experience, and contact information. Make sure to upload your resume or CV along with certificates and other required documents. Finally, review everything carefully and click Submit to send your application. You can log back in any time to check your application status. So that's basically how you can register in Emirates careers. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.